Wenno mapapigsapay ti panagkaykaysa ken dedikasyon ti panagserbi na iswa ti MOA signing ceremony iti nagbayatan ti Department of Migrant Workers, OWA, DOLE, TESDA ken ti Provincial Government of Abra. Gagem daytoy ang maipaay ti dekalidad a serbisyo para kadagiti OFWs ken ti pamilyada.
Ang DMW is kami from labor migration, yung before pa sila aalis ng bansa para ma-ensure na legal yung pathway nila papuntang abroad. Tapos in case na may mangyari sa kanila abroad, meron services ang OWA and DMW, and then yung pagbalik nila for their reintegration, may mga services din po kami. And kung in case na maka-encounter sila ng mga issues with their employers, mga agency nila, nandun din po ang DMW.
Financial assistance, medical assistance, burial assistance, ken livelihood assistance dagiti sumagmamano adjaya a programa ti ahensya.
Pero for TESDA, meron yata silang mga scholarship na ino-offer sa ating mga OFWs, yung mga bumalik na. And si DOLE for local employment, meron din sila.
Iti agdama, adda ti help desk ti Department of Migrant Workers iti provincial capital. Binigbig ti gobyerno probinsyal ti dakkel a papel dagiti partner agencies amang mangted ti proteksyon kadagiti OFWs. Inpetteng da ti sibubakil a panakitinulong da seknan ti pananglaban kontra ti illegal recruitment, human trafficking, labor exploitation, ken dumapay a national crimes.
We reaffirm our commitment to strengthen public awareness and promoting crime prevention initiatives. Through vigilance, responsible migration practices, and close collaboration among government agencies, LGUs, civil society organizations, and the private sector, we can create a safer environment for our workers and their families. The provincial government stands united with all efforts to combat human trafficking, protect migrant workers from exploitation, and promote safe, together, orderly and regular migration. Together, let us foster a culture of vigilance, empowerment, and shared responsibility in building safer communities and securing a better future for Abreñan OFW. Ang buyo, OFW is very adutin tulong na tuwi Pilipinas. Without you, OFW, baka bimagsak ta ekonomiya ti Pilipinas en.
Nakalukat iti opisina ti gobernador siya sinuman ngagkasapulan ti tulong ken iyawis na ti panagpalista ken panagaplikar kadagiti interesado ti scholarship program ti PGA. Jessica Boreta, Balitang Solid North.